Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 BMW R1200GS Adventure. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2016 BMW R1200GS Adventure with 32,552 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, TPMS, and electronic suspension, and keyless ignition and navigation. It's been upgraded with BMW saddlebags, a top case, Denali fog lights, and a rear brake pedal extension. Powered by an 1170cc two-cylinder boxer engine, the R1200GS puts 125 horsepower and 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7.9-gallon fuel capacity, the R1200GS Adventure has a 300 to 350-mile range. It has a 35.8-inch seat height and a 573-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the front TPMS sensor does not work. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The finish is peeling on the frame. There's a scratch on the right side of the engine guard, tears in the rider's seat, and a scratch on the upper fairing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, service, and repairs, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.